Hey, it's Carlin, and I'm on a really big decluttering kick right now. And something that it's teaching me is just about using the time that I have and not trying to get it all done, but just making progress. And so I'm a very big all or nothing person, perfectionist as well. And I think a lot of the time it can stop me from doing anything, taking any action. And so even with like decluttering projects, it can feel like, oh, well, if I can't declutter the whole house, then I don't need to do anything. If I can't declutter the whole kitchen, then I can't do anything. But even today, I didn't declutter with this time. I actually did a little cleaning with this time. But today, I was microwaving some hot water for tea, and I just spent that time kind of cleaning off the microwave while I was there. And I just don't think that's something that I would have thought to do before, because I have to set aside time to clean the kitchen and get it all done. But hopefully this is something that can help you not to feel like you have to get it all done, but really use the pockets of time that you do have to get things done, and just be patient. Be patient with the progress that you're going to make, and be willing to get there slowly but surely. Hopefully, hope this helps.